Hola. Hello. So, today we're going to be looking at the multi-dimensional realities within this one reality. Okay. So, this is the kind of thing you'll understand as I continue. So, when within the world we have here, planet Earth, this is one reality. However, within this one reality, there are different realities. There are multiple realities. There's, for example, in my house. In my house, there's this one reality. If you go to any of my neighbor's house, it is a completely different reality. A different life experience, a different environment, a different feeling in the room, different air, different smells, different sounds, different temperatures. There's so many differences from just a few feet away in different houses on the same street. Of course, looking at this one example, looking at the small, you can look into bigger areas such as countries. Within different countries from the opposite sides of the world, thousands of hundreds of miles away, or kilometers, there's also a different reality, different languages, different customs, cultures, food, clothes, ways of acting, and as well smells and sounds and all that too. So within this one reality, there are different realities all over the place. As you drive down the street, every single person you pass in their car, that's a completely different person you've never met before, right? And they're living their own life, which is their reality. And even you within your own body, it is its own reality. And so for everyone's bodies, it's the same thing. So we're actually surrounded by so many different life experiences and so many different stories and circumstances and conditions. I mean, that is quite interesting to see. Now, perhaps to really drive this point home, we can look at defining these realities. And what is one factor that plays a huge role on how a life experience is for one person and for another? Well, money. Money, money, money. If you go to the wealthy part here in my city, where the wealthy residents live, it's such completely opposite reality to neighborhoods that are poor. You couldn't get farther apart, really. And what's so funny is that when you drive through town, there's only one street, that separates the poor and the rich. It's so funny, they're so close yet so far away. How is that? Why is that? I guess it's the power of money. But the question comes to why we accept and allow this in our minds. Have we programmed in ourselves the belief that this is acceptable? This is okay. And so you have this reality. You have families that are born into wealthy families and into poor families. They inherit their parents' homes and they live their lives in separation from others. And this really doesn't have to do with money per se. You can look at how separate we become among each other. The separation that is within ourselves is seen in the world out there. It's physically manifested. The separation out there is the separation that we have accepted and allowed within ourselves, within our words, our thoughts, our living, our sensation and perception of this reality. We are even separate from what we even hear, what we smell and see, that we don't see, that we don't hear, and we don't smell. We are indeed split into multiple realities, multidimensional realities, within ourselves, within our minds, but also in our physical realities, our physical living conditions. Our awareness is divided. It is not here as one awareness of what is here. That is equally aware of what is here, of all that is here. It's been fragmented, it's been divided, and it has been conquered. We need to start working together. We need to start working together, both within ourselves, individually, cooperating with our bodies, cooperating with what is here, working as a team, as one, as equal, with all the parts of ourselves, with each other, within our environments, with each other, with what is simply here, working as one and as equal. That is what we need. We need that so badly. We haven't lived that for so long. And so, what say you? What do you say? Ask the right questions. Ask the right questions about why, how do I change? What is my experience? What is going on within me and within reality? How can I change it?